the integration, do you think that you, as Verizon employees, will start integrating or be involved with any of this?
It's probably already out there on the market.
Which
That's
one?
what
The touch screen, yeah.
touch screen. And that makes sense.
Yeah.
People don't walk in their house and touch that rather than go.
What does it do?
It's a control.
Oh, for the house stuff?
I've seen commercials already for it.
In your view, do you think that this as a Telco 4, as a capstone course, is a relevant course? Is it something we should be continue to seek, expand upon, or do you think we should go other ways?
Well, I think you should say,
I like this one.
it gives you the benefit of having hands-on as well. Not only do you do the research, you set everything up, configure everything, and demonstrate that. I think it's very useful.
This group is working on Linux MCE, which is an operating system that has features in it that are meant for home technology integration. So they have drivers to talk to different devices, and it also allows you to use, you could use your iPhone as the remote to be able to adjust your lighting and your sprinklers and your thermostat. You can use any device, any type of PDA, any type of networking device that can communicate with the computer that has the operating system on it to be the controller. So if you happen to have a desktop telephone with a display, like say in the kitchen you have an IP phone, or the Cisco colored ones, you can let that be the interface to the system that has the control software on it, and you can do all your controlling of your home systems from there.
Working on the lights, programming the lights through the actual computer itself, through the, I guess it's the modem card here, which is run by HTI. At the time, we really don't know how it integrates with AMX. We assume that it's either a plug-in or a software download, as it would be with the home seer. But the way it particularly works is that you program it through the computer to set certain scenes that you want it to be in your house. You can program it through the computer for this, or you can do it right directly from the computer.
The devices that are in here, the ones that you're addressing right now, that's the control board right there?
This is the control board right here, and it actually, the way it works is through the X10 technology, where you plug in to the receptacle itself, and that sends the transmission over the electric line itself in order for it to,
Control any lights that are plugged in on the circuit?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to take a look at my rear gate because one of the kids is out there and I don't want them coming into the pool, so I'm going to speak to them and I'm going to say, do me a favor, walk around in front of the house.
What we'd like to do is set up this IP security camera on the home network. So what we have here is a D-Link home wireless router with a 4-port Ethernet switch integrated into it. And we have it connected to the outside world, so we can get internet connection through this port. So this is like our cloud, our internet service provider there. So we have the camera. This camera can be used in 2 modes. It can be used in a wired mode, or we can get into it and change the configuration and switch it over to wireless so that the next time we power it up, it would start to communicate with this access point through the wireless connection. But right now, just for simplicity's sake, we're setting up in hardwired mode. So we have a laptop connected to the same switch as the camera, and when we went...
All we use is for the cameras, controlling the cameras. All the cameras are input over to the sequencer here, and this can be programmed also to look at certain cameras at certain times, or you could put a night. It's very.
So this is currently what would typically be in a
house.
Yes.
These are a lot of the applications that we've been working on in class. Common applications, you can use it for a variety of other things, but these are the ones that we've been working on and we're most familiar with.
I'm going to get the house all prepared for weekend mode. That's in addition to thermostat, which is also, so when you get up in the morning, you have the option, you can take a look at your thermostat and get information. But
The problem is, for this type of class, for a capstone class, you as a user, when you're trying to configure a system, you need to have access to the controller software. And that's what you're shut out of, right?
Right.
Okay. And yet the other system belongs to you, that's open source.
I think it would be better suited to the purposes of the class. Each of us could have a device, you could, configure it, integrate it into the system, and demonstrate it. That's much more easily done with the home theater than the AMX or the live.
Our topic was VPN. We were setting up the routers, which VPN is a virtual private network. This is the main office.
You can establish a VPN between the...
Home and the office. Home and the office. VPN is a private network that uses a public network, like the internet, and it connects sites to users via a virtual connection, which means that you have your computer at home, and you have your computer at the office, and you can connect to the office via your home.
I will be shopping for the high definition TV, and I'm hoping to get something of decent size, at least 37 if not 42 inch. Full 1080p, have 2 HTMI inputs, and
This is going to be used for what reason?
well, it's going to be used for our smart room to monitor all different kinds of things, to having entertainment purposes, to be able to do some home monitoring, to also regulating fitness activities that you may also do in the home, to almost essentially that you could think of, for purposes of doing in your home.